everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another eyeshadow tutorial video. I apologize for the sound in the back. It is extremely windy outside today, and yeah, it's just really windy outside, and it's snowy, and my lighting is not the best. So we're just gonna have to deal with what we have going on right now, honestly. Today is going to be another eyeshadow video. I don't really know exactly what I'm doing per usual, but you guys are just gonna watch me do whatever I'm gonna be doing. And yeah, so you already know the drill as far as my steps and how I do my makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, jumping into the shade Outgoing, and my lids are already primed. I'm just going to put this in my crease area as my transition shade. You guys know the drill with this. Why is this side? I feel like it's tugging. This side always feels like it's tugging on the lid, like it's like dragging. Okay, so the next shade that we are going to be jumping into is called the shade Crimson, and it is this really pretty burgundy shade, and we're just going to put this on another blender brush and kind of place this on our lid first. And then we're going to blend upwards. And I think I need my mirror to be up close and personal. Like this side never blends great. Like I feel like I always have to like just do more and like work more with this side compared to the other side, because it just never wants to act right. Never. The next thing that we are going to be doing is jumping into that shade called Special, which is that shade right here. And we're going to add some depth to my outer corner of my eye. I don't even see anything showing up. And the next thing that I'm going to be doing is taking this Sonia Kashuk eyeshadow palette and dipping into this really pretty burgundy shade, and just using my fingers, I'm just going to place this shade right here to just give it a little bit of like, what's the word? Like shimmer? Okay, so now that that part is done, I'm actually going to add another shade, and with a, if I can find it, oh here it goes, with a like flatter brush, I'm gonna be jumping into this like green shade right here. We're gonna be actually putting that on the bottom lash line. I'm thinking this is gonna be more so of like a Christmas festival, not festival, holiday look is what I think I'm going for, and I have fallout all over my eyes. No! Okay, so the very pretty burgundy holiday eyes are complete. I guess this was just like a holiday makeup tutorial that I didn't really know I was doing. So after I apply my lashes, I'm going to come back on here. We're gonna be completing, why can't I talk today? After I do the lashes, I'm gonna hop off, I'm gonna do my lashes, and I'm gonna be coming back and we're gonna finish the rest of the makeup look. Okay, so I put on some mascara. I don't know where my lash glue is, so yeah. The next thing that we are going to be doing is contouring. I'm going to be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the medium to tan shades, and I'm going to be jumping into this shade right here, just doing a light contour. I don't really want to do anything too heavy today. I'm just going to move my hair over just a little bit. I don't want to do anything too heavy today, just a light contour on my face, not too much, not too little, just something that you can kind of see what's going on. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to be doing is jumping into blush. I'm actually going to be using this BH Cosmetics blush palette, and this is the Contour and Blush 2 6-color palette. So this is what this one looks like. Of course it's broken. Of course, like, wouldn't be me if it's not broken. And we're gonna be jumping into this really pretty peachy shade. Y'all probably like, that's not a blush, Kira. It is a blush, I promise you. And with my e.l.f. blush brush, and we're going to be picking up some of this color and putting it on our cheeks. It's just a really light blush. Like, it's not dark at all. Just a very, very subtle blush. I really wanted the face to be just really nice and pretty. Let me stop talking so I can put the music on and speed this up. And lastly, for the face, we're going to be jumping into my Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade of Precious Petals and applying our highlighter. And with this particular foundation, I used the CoverGirl one. I'm actually going to set my face with some spray, just because this one is a little bit drier. Like, it's not as dewy as my Fit Me one. So, spray time. You'll see how much spray just came on that, what the fuck? Literally, like, all right, we're not gonna spray any of that spray because it literally almost ruined my entire makeup look. Like, real life almost ruined everything. And I'm gonna hop off and do my lips. And here we are, the finished look. I hope you guys liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a video. And if that is all, now if I have nothing else to say, I will see you guys in my next video.